Hello everyone, welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. Today I'm going to train you on adding music to your slides. Yes, friends, adding music to your slides, and especially in Microsoft PowerPoint, which is going to make your slides more effective. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a demo, and then you people may go ahead and practice on your own PowerPoint slides. Okay, now before I proceed ahead, those viewers who are watching my channel for the very first time, I would request you to please go ahead and quickly subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things which are coming up your way. So let's start over, friends. So I have created demo slide, people. So whenever you are creating a presentation, in order to make your presentation more effective and to kill the monotony, what exactly we people may do is we can add music to our PowerPoint presentation. So in order to add music to our PowerPoint presentation, what we people can do is we need to click on the insert option over here, and once we have clicked on the insert option, you people will find a media option like this. Okay, all right. So you need to go into the media, and then you have to click on the audio. The moment you are going to go on to the audio section, it is going to show you two options there in front of you. One is going to be the audio on your PC, and another is going to be record audio. Record audio option, people, you may use it when you want to add your own conversation. So this I would be covering up in altogether a separate session. Today we are training on adding music, so you will be going ahead and selecting the first option over here, which is audio on my PC. So the moment you go ahead and click on audio on my PC, you can click any audio which is already there, and then you can go ahead and click on insert. The moment you click on insert, this is the thing which you people are going to see, right? But what exactly is the thing that you people need to take care of is how this music should be played in your presentation. So there are multiple options, people, that you see. Now over here I have only created, two slides as of now, but let's say in case if your slide is 10 or more than 10, even in case if it is 5 altogether, and you want to play the music across your slide, you need to select on this specific option, which is play across slide. Okay, this is the first option, and you have to loop it until stop. That means till the time your presentation is not over, you want the music to be continuously looped in. You may go ahead and select and put a check mark in this option over here. Now, how do you want the music to be played? Do you want the music to be played in sequence, or do you want the music to be played automatically or when clicked on? Clicked on is the moment you will hit on one specific slide, then only the music is going to be played. That is one specific option. Automatically is the moment you put up your presentation on a slideshow, it is going to run across the slide. So this is that option, or it has to be in a specific sequence altogether. So you may go ahead and select automatically, because in this particular thing, what exactly is going to happen is it's going, the moment you put on the click on the slider show option, it is going to be played automatically. Okay, all right. And along with that, what exactly you want to do is, people, you may click on this particular specific icon. If I talk about this icon, so you may drag it and you can put it over here. And another thing that you can do is you can hide this specific option as well. For that, you need to click on hide during show. So what is going to happen is this particular audio option is not going to be visible, this icon is not going to be visible. However, the music is going to be played across your slide. So in case if you click on plain background option, then also automatically these three options, they are going to be selected. So the moment you do that, what exactly you have to do is you need to click on save, and the moment you click on the slideshow option over here, you need to go ahead, and then you may go ahead and click on slideshow, and then you may click on right from the beginning. So automatically the music is going to be played. Okay, so this is what exactly, people, happens the moment you go ahead and select the automatically option. So please remember, in case if you want to add audio or music to your presentation, PowerPoint presentation, click on the automatically option. So that means automatically is when the moment you click on the slideshow, the music is going to be played from there and then. And in case if you want to play the music only on a specific slide when clicked on, then on that specific slide to people may go ahead and add this music, and you can select on when clicked on option. Okay, so people, this was all about today's session in how to add music to your PowerPoint presentation to kill the monotony of the slides altogether. So in case of any questions and queries, you can reach on all these three social media links there in front of you, on the Instagram ID which is cherub.teaching.center, or on the Facebook which is Cherub Teaching Center, or Microsoft Teams which is Cherubians altogether. And the links of all these three social media is given in the description of the video as well. So please go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way. Thank you very much everyone, and have a nice day ahead.